Siri Radha guys, my name is Aman Kumar. You are watching me. Let's start today's routine video without having the further delay. So this video is about the routine of 28th June 2024 of the day 205200 and the fifth day. This video is about the going to be the routine. Okay, so basically today is something differently happened. As I told you in the yesterday's video that I didn't went for the sleep at very proper. I woke up at around 3 and I went to the bathroom, and after that I came and I went to the sleep to the ground floor, and that's it. And after that heavy rainfalls happens. So basically after that I woke up at very soon in the night. So that's why I went for the sleep very late to the night. And after that I woke up at around 11:30 or 12 between. Okay, 11 to 12 between I woke up today. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was actually happened. So basically after that I went to the first floor, and after coming to the first floor I brought my clothes. Okay, and after that I went to the ground floor, and after that first I went to the bathroom. After that I came, and after that I washed my mouth, and after that I had taken the bath, and after that I worshipped in a very proper manner. And after that I didn't eat the food because the you know Arya Samaj education head teacher messaged me to get some. I have to send some details. Okay, uh, so, so I have to send, so that I have researched, and after that I sent to her. And after that I went to around 3:30 to 4 around I p.m. Okay, I went to the ground floor, and after that I ate the food while watching the TV. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was happening. And after that my mother came and see, and after that I talked to her. So basically this is the thing which was happened today. Okay, so I hope you will understand till yet. Okay, so after that I didn't done too much thing. And after that, after some time, my parents went somewhere. Okay, so after that I watched TV while eating the Maggie. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was happened today. And after that I went to the first floor, and after that I went to the ground floor, and that is the thing which was happened. And at the end, at the time of evening, I came to the ground floor, and I spent my time with my family, and I ate chapati with mango. And also I ate leafy vegetables. And uh, and what I ate, um, yes, bitter gourd sabji. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was happened today. Okay, so after that I spent my time with my family. Okay, and after that I came to the first floor, and after that I started shooting the video. And one thing has happened, guys. In the yesterday's routine video I already told you, because yesterday's routine video I didn't shoot. Let me clear it. In yesterday's routine video I told something about today's routine video, that is the airport's roof were falls down because they have rain. That is the thing which was happened today. I already apologized in the yesterday's routine video. Okay, so don't worry. So in this video I'm going to tell you what actually happened. So basically today, after many of the months in Delhi, many months later, heavy rains happens. Okay, and this is the reason there is too much rain happen. And one of the airports of Delhi's airport's roof falls down, and where one people were died. I That's all the things which was happened. So it's really very bad happened. Okay, and too many peoples were wounded. Okay, so basically this is a thing which was I have to told you, I wanted to tell you. So basically this is a thing which was happened, and that's it. I think this is the thing. So this is a thing which was happened today. I hope you really understand till here. If you really understand till here, then kindly please like it, because if you like our videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos in a continuously manner. Okay, so let's start today's 5 words. So our first word is widow. Widow means vidwa. Don't disturb her, says a widow. woman, and she's already too much depressed. So don't try to defame her, don't try to harm her, okay? Snitcher, chugalkhor, you snitcher girl, I already knew that you are the such kind of girl who always snitchering. So don't do this, I'm not your friend, don't do this. Tremble, calm now. I already understand you are the criminal. Now you have. Sorry, I use ab. So sorry, I apologize. Again, I already knew that you are the criminal. Now you are thinking that how do I know that? How I find? How I found that you are the criminal? So basically, I found you just for a simple thing. You just trying to tremble. You just too much trembling. That's why I found that you are the criminal. Okay, you have done the wrong work. That's why you are trembling. That's it. So our fourth word is tradition. Tradition means, guys, parampara. It's our tradition. That's why we are doing this such kind of activities, and there is no need to interfere on our problem. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and last five word. Fifth word is whichever, jo kuch bhi. What do you want to take, sir? Whichever do you like, give me just. That's it. So basically, this is the thing which was happened today. So let's revise today's vocabulary word from the bottom to the first. Okay. So let's revise from top to the bottom. Okay. So स्वीकार करना, एक्नॉलेज, बेंजाइटी, सॉरी आई स्पोक इन इंग्लिश. स्वीकार करना, एक्नॉलेज, बेचैनी, एंजाइटी, आत्मा, सोल, उत्सुक, ईगर, भक्त, डिवोटी, सांस, ब्रीथ, ले आओ, ब्रिंग, आरामदायक, कंफर्टेबल, आश्चर्य, वॉन्डर, समझाना, एक्सप्लेन, लिफाफा, एनवलप, धीरज, पेशेंस, पुष्पसाना के विस्पर, निश्चित रूप से, अपरेंटली, जरूरी, एसेंशियल, सचमुच, डिटेली, पीछे, बिहाइंड, बनाना, क्रिएट, खटखटाना, नॉक, पास, नियर, अंधविश्वास, सुपरस्टिशन, परेशानी, ट्रबल, बहकाना, मिसगाइड, बहादुर, ब्रेव, कुमारा, बैचलर, इसकबाजी करना, फ्लर्ट, लगाव, अफेक्शन, बदनाम करना, डिफेम, डांटना, स्कोल्ड, बेवकूफ़, नासमझ, सिली, नीचा दिखाना, ह्यूमिलेट, पहुंचना, अराइव, विरोध करना, अगेंस्ट, निर्देश, इंस्ट्रक्शन, न्याय, जस्टिस, विचार, थॉट, रोना, क्राई, भौंकना, बार्क, खिलाना, फीट, पकड़ना, कैच, बगल में, बिसाइड, के खिलाफ, अगेंस्ट, पर्दे, कर्टेन, पक्का, श्योर, आज रात, टुनाइट, हाल ही में, रिसेंटली, हदीरहट, मिडनाइट, मुश्किल से, बैडली के बजाय, इंस्टीड, नतीजा, आउटकम, पैदल, ऑन फुट, कांच, ग्लास, चश्मा, ग्लासेस, कपड़े धोने का स्थान, लॉन्ड्री, चोट, इंजरी, कमर, वेस्ट, जड़ी बूटी, हर्ब, बर्तन, वी कैन से दैट, यूटेंसिल्स, शिमला मिर्च, बेल पेपर, पालक, स्पिनच, मूली, रेडिश, उपयुक्त, एप्रोप्रिएट, या जागरूकता, अवेयरनेस, तरक्की, प्रोग्रेस, प्रारंभिक, इनिशियल, प्राचीन, एंसाइंड, प्रस्ताव, प्रपोजल, संभावना, पॉसिबिलिटी, बातचीत, कन्वर्जेशन, आदत, वी कैन से आदत, हैबिट, ओके, बीमार, सिक, उपाय, रेमेडी, सोल्यूशन, उत्साह, वी कैन से दैट, एंथुजियाज्म, जिद्दी, स्टबन, तालमेल, दैट इज कोऑर्डिनेशन, थोड़ा, ए लिटिल बिट, भाग्य, फेट, हालत, हैबिट, उम्मीद, होप, उलझन, कन्फ्यूजन, डिलेमा, उचित, प्रॉपर, ऐतिहासिक, हिस्टोरिकल, खासियत, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक, घूरना, स्टेयर, घाव, वाउंड, इच्छा, डिजायर, झूला, स्विंग, डरपोक, कायर, कोवर्ट, धड़कन, हार्ट बीट, धरती, अर्थ, प्रयास करना, एफर्ट, मासूम, इनोसेंट, अनिश्चित, अनसर्टेन, आलोचना, क्रिटिसिज्म, उल्लंघन, वायलेशन, इरादा, इंटेंशन, आध्यात्मिक, स्पिरिचुअल, अपराध, क्राइम, अल्पसंख्यक, माइनॉरिटी, एकाग्रता, कंसंट्रेशन, आचार, पिकल, संघर्ष, स्ट्रगल, भेदभाव, के डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, जाति, कास्ट, शपथ लेना, ओथ, वफादार, वी कैन से दैट, वफादार, लॉयल, खुजली, इचिंग, श्राप, कर्स, वरदान, बोन, चुड़ैल, विच, अहंकारी, एरोगेंट, प्रतीत होना, सीम, सत्यानाश, डैमिट, सुखदायक, सूदिंग, आज़ादी, स्वतंत्रता, लिबर्टी, और वी कैन से ऑल्सो दैट फ्रीडम, बोना, ड्वार्फ, कीचड़, मड, गड्ढा, पिट, धमकी देना, थ्रेटन, जुआरी, गैम्बलर, हल्दी, टर्मरिक, पापी, सिनर, दया, मर्सी, फौजी, सैनिक, सोल्जर, घटिया, सॉडी, यस, अजीब, विचित्र, वियर्ड, किसका, हुज, किसको, whom, समझदार, सेंसिबल, पढ़ा लिखा, लिटरेट, अनपढ़, इलिटरेट, बातूनी, स्निचर, मेहमान, गेस्ट, रिश्तेदार, रिलेटिव, किराएदार, टेनेंट, चौकीदार, वॉचमैन, अनाथ, ऑर्फन, विधवा, विडो, चुगलखोर, वेट। लेट्स स्टार्ट। किसका, हुज, किसको, होम, समझदार, सेंसिबल, पढ़ा लिखा, लिटरेट, अनपढ़, इलिटरेट, बातूनी, यस बातूनी, इट इज गैरुलस, yes it is garrulous, I told that it's nature, that's why I have doubt, okay। मेहमान, गेस्ट, रिश्तेदार, रिलेटिव, किराएदार, टेनेंट, चौकीदार, वॉचमैन, अनाथ, ऑर्फन, विधवा, विडो, चुगलखोर, चुगलखोर इज दिस नेचर, ओके। कांपना, ट्रेम्बल, परंपरा, ट्रेडिशन, जो कुछ भी, whichever। So basically guys, this is all the vocabulary that's happened, okay। So let's start today's one accounting topic, okay। Let me check it। So let's talk about accounting period। Basically in normal way, for the average people, for the normal people, year starts from 1st January to the 31st March it will end, but for the accounting period, that is 1st April to the 31st March, okay। I hope you really understand yet। I think it is enough for today। See you, Radhe, bye bye।